Hey everybody, Fred here, TFG Media. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, if your WordPress installation has just been updated or recently updated to the latest version, then you've probably noticed, or maybe you haven't yet, that your widget area looks completely different. Well, if you're like me and just don't want to deal with Gutenberg and like the old classic editors, then I'm going to show you how you can revert your widget area that you're seeing here back to the old classic editor with just a few lines of code. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Let's get going. Okay, so before we get going, I do want to say if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, smashing that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping new videos, and giving me a thumbs up if you learned something in this video. Okay, so I'm just over here on one of my new websites, campingbuffs.com. If you want to check it out, support the site, please feel free to come on over and check it out. But I want to show you the version of WordPress I'm currently on, and I'm currently running version 5.8. Now, if you've not gone into your widget area since this update, then I advise you to go over and check it out, because I thought I disabled Gutenberg in previous videos and I thought I was good. Well, guess what? They're trying to force Gutenberg back on us, and they're doing it through this widget area. So to get into your widget area, just go to Appearance and then right down to Widgets here, and you can see it doesn't look anything like what we were used to. And I gotta tell you, I can't get comfortable with Gutenberg. I don't know why. The classic editor was just simple. It was intuitive, easy use. Maybe I'm not giving Gutenberg the time it needs, but I'm just not interested in pouring my time and figuring out Gutenberg. And so I'm opting for ways just to turn it off for now anyway. So if you're in the widget area, you're having troubles, you want to go back to the way it was before this recent update, then I got the solution for you, and that's what we're going to do in this next segment right here. I'll show you exactly what you need. Okay, so there's a few ways you can add custom code to your WordPress installation, and you'll hear people talk about child themes and this and that, and adding code to your functions.php file. Well, I'm going to tell you, unless you really know what you're doing, don't do it. I use a plugin, it's called Code Snippets, that allows you to add basically exactly that, code snippets that, even if you update your theme, it's not going to get overwritten. So if you don't have code snippets installed, you can find it under plugins. Just go add new, and then what you can do is just search for code snippets, and it should be the first one in the list here, and it's right here, no problem. Get it installed, and you can follow along with me right now. Okay, so I'm assuming you've got code snippets installed, and I'm in the plugin now. I've just gone over and clicked on snippets, and you can see I have a bunch of different customizations already added. I'm not going to go through those. That's not the point of this video. But what I want you to do is add new right up here. And then we're going to give this a title. And what did I call it? Disable Gutenberg Widget Block Editor. Here we go. All right. Now, I'm going to copy a segment of code. You know what? I'm going to leave this code segment in the description right below this video so you can just copy and paste it. And guys, I'm going to put a disclaimer out here. This code is as is. If it, takes your website down or does any damage, use at your own risk. I'm not liable. I'm not responsible. You are doing this on your own. I warrants, no claims, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. You use it at your own risk, okay? So I don't want any nasty comments saying, oh, it didn't work. Oh, you broke my website. Well, you're using this code snippet at your own risk. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste it in there. And again, take a minute. I'll zoom into it maybe so you can just kind of take a look. You can pause the video. And again, maybe I'll leave it in the description, or maybe I'll just put it on my website and you can link over to the page, and I'll include a link to go over to the website and just grab it from there. It might be formatted a little bit better if I do that. So maybe that's what I'll do instead. Anyways, you can always pause the video and grab it right now as well. Make sure you don't make any, obviously, syntactical errors. That's going to break your website. So don't do that. And once you have that in there exactly like that, you want to run it only in the administrator area or the administration area. That's fine. Don't worry about the priority. You can leave it as is. and just save the changes and activate. So I'm going to go ahead and save these changes just like that. And now I'm going to activate the plugin. Or the code snippet, sorry, not the plugin, the code snippet. Okay, so the code snippet is now activated. So the last thing we need to do really is just go over back to the widget area and see what we have. So I'm going to go there, click that, and bang. We're back to our classic editor. Yes, no more screwing around with the Gutenberg, all that good stuff. So again, I'll put a link in the description where you can grab this little piece of code, run it on your WordPress, get back to the classic widget block editor, and you're all set. So if you liked this video, it helped you, you found it useful, please do give me a thumbs up. Leave comments in the comment description for the YouTube algorithm so it can find my channel. And please remember to subscribe. This is Fred, TFG Media, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.